Have you ever felt like God has every reason to give up on you, yet something deep inside whispers, "He won't"? That whisper is not your imagination. It is a promise, a covenant, a reminder that God remembers you even when you feel forgotten. Leviticus 26:45. But for their sake I will remember the covenant with their ancestors whom I brought out of Egypt, in the sight of the nations to be their God. I am the Lord. Listen, God is not a man who forgets. He is not like people who walk away when things get hard. He is the God who remembers covenant, promise, and purpose. In this scripture, Israel had disobeyed, wandered, messed up, and broken alignment. They were facing consequences. Yet in the middle of all that, God says something powerful. For their sake, I will remember. Not because they were perfect, not because they deserved it, not because they were strong, but because He made a covenant. And today that includes you. There are moments in your life where you feel distant from God, times when guilt, shame, delay, or disappointment makes you feel unworthy. Times you ask, did God forget about me? Will He still show up? Is there still hope for me? But God says, I remember. I remember the prayers you prayed in tears. I remember the promises I spoke over your life. I remember the purpose I placed inside you. I remember the destiny attached to your name. I remember the covenant of grace through Christ. You may feel like your life is behind schedule, but God has not forgotten your journey. You may feel like your mistakes pushed you far away, but His covenant pulls you back. You may feel like your season is delayed, but His memory is perfect, even when your faith feels weak. In this very moment, God is remembering you in ways you can't see. He is remembering the breakthrough He promised, the restoration He declared, the healing He assigned, the open door. He prepared the miracle with your name on it. Even when life gets heavy, when you feel surrounded, or when your faith is almost gone, God says, I'm still committed to you. That's why Leviticus 26:45 is not just history, it is your prophecy. If God could remember Israel after they wandered for generations, He can remember you today. If He kept His word in the wilderness, He will keep His word in your situation. If He didn't break His covenant then, He will not break it now. So walk today with confidence. Walk with assurance. Walk with boldness. Walk knowing this: you are not forgotten. You are remembered by the covenant-keeping God. If this blesses you, write in the comments, God remembers me.